In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate payments in Hubstaff. By the end, you'll have payroll running on autopilot using Wise, so your team gets paid accurately and on time with far less manual work. First, open Hubstaff and sign into your existing account. Once you're in, look for the financials area in the left sidebar. This is where Hubstaff centralizes payroll and payment settings, so everything you need is in one place. Inside financials, go to the payroll management section. This is where you'll enable automatic payouts and connect a payment provider. You'll see an option to pay your team with Wise. This integration lets Hubstaff automatically send payments at the end of each pay period based on your team's track time and their configured pay rates. It's designed to reduce errors and save time, especially if you're managing a distributed team. Click Connect to Wise to start linking your accounts. When prompted to choose an integration, select Wise from the list. Before you proceed, make sure of three things so the connection works smoothly. First, your Wise account must be set up as a business account, not a personal one, because payroll requires business features. Second, enable two-factor authentication on your Wise account for security. This is typically required for authorization. And third, add funds to your Wise balance in your organization's currency. Having the right currency funded helps avoid delays and unexpected conversions when payments run. When those items are ready, click. Next, to continue, link the accounts and prepare to invite members to payroll. Follow the on-screen steps to set up the integration. You may be taken to Wise to securely authorize Hubstaff. Approve the connection so Hubstaff can initiate payouts on your behalf. Back in Hubstaff, you'll be asked to select which Wise balance or account to use. Choose the correct currency balance that matches how you plan to pay your team to minimize conversion fees and ensure payments clear without issues. Finally, add members to payroll. Select the teammates you want included in automated payouts. Hubstaff will use their existing pay rates and your defined pay period settings, so double-check those details before finishing. Once added, these team members will be paid automatically at the close of each pay period using the Wise account you selected. That's it. You've connected Wise, selected the right account, and added your team so Hubstaff can handle payouts for you. If you ever need to make changes, return to financials to update the integration, funding balance, or who's included in payroll. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.